test out this filter system here. Here a little bit and fill this up. Okay, so as you can see, this is what I got out of my little yard, artificial yard water puddle. There is dirt in there, there's grass and all that. The water does look a little tainted, a little brown. I'm going to pour it into this jar so we can get a better look at it. And bring it over here. See how this is a jar that doesn't have anything in it. That's pretty dirty water. So good. It'll definitely be a good test to see if I just want to see how it tastes, see if it takes the taste away. Because if I could take a little Sawyer filter along with me where I go, and always know that I'm going to have drinking water, then I think that's a pretty cool thing. So I really want to test it out and make sure that it's right, because that's a pretty good, safety tool to have. Always know you're going to have drinking water when you go with it. So let's see if that's actually the case. So I've got this bladder here. It's a Sawyer bladder. This is a mini filter, by the way. They've got some with like huge bladders. This is just a mini filter, but it's supposed to, according to the guarantee, it'll go through like 100,000 gallons of water or something like that. Shit, I don't know. Maybe not that much, but a lot of gallons of water. I think it is. I think it's a few thousand. So what I'm going to do is I got to get this bladder filled with the dirty water. So I'm going to just blow it up a little bit. That way I know that water will go in there. I'm going to take my dirty water, water, and pour it in to my bladder. I will call this the, as you can see, which you saw earlier, the dirty water is completely filled the bladder. So I'm going to take this Sawyer mini filter and I'm going to screw it on to the opening of the bladder. After I squeeze the bladder and squeeze it through the filter. That is looking good, folks. I mean, for real. I'm surprised. I really am surprised. It's just and maybe call me like a weirdo or whatever, or a dumbass maybe, but it amazes me that you can get that tint, that dark tint out of the water just by putting it through this little tube here. It doesn't have any, you're not adding a lot of chemicals to it, which is great. You're just putting it through a filter and it looks like it is completely clear. I'll have to check it out once I get this all squeezed through. And that's simple. I'm easily amazed, folks. Okay? But okay, now all the water is out of the bladder, and I'm just going to take that away, and I'm going to hold it up. That's clear. That is clear. That looks like it. I would rather drink this than, just by looking at it, than water coming out of the sink, really. So I'm going to take a sip, and now the moment of truth. Unbelievable. I'm serious. This actually tastes better than it does when it comes out of the tap. Well, the answer has been made for me. Sawyer does a good job. I just thought it was amazing. And anyway, so if I was to write a review on this, I don't know how long it lasts. I don't know the longevity of the product, so I'll have to follow up on that. We'll have a follow-up session. But as far as initial use, it makes brown dirty water, takes that and it turns it into this. So all in all, can't complain at all. That's all I got now, so check you next time, folks.